So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through factorization method. So it is given to solve the quadratic equation 6x square plus 40 is equal to 31x through factorization method. So first we'll write the quadratic equation 6x square plus 40 is equal to 31x. As we can see, it is not in the standard form, so we'll write it as 6x square minus 31x plus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, so if we compare it with the standard format, ax square plus bx plus c, a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 31, c is equal to 40. Now the product of the two extreme terms, a is equal to 6, c is equal to 40. 6 into 40, that is equal to 240. So our objective is to split the middle term minus 31 in such a way that the product of the two split terms, it is also equal to 240. So I will go for factorization here a bit to find out the different factors, the different possibilities. So 2 is 120, 260, 230 and 215. Okay, let's see. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 4 2's are here, so this is equal to 16. So 16 into 15, that is also equal to 240. Okay, 16 into 5, that is 80, so 240. Yes. So now how to split this middle term? So let's say we write it as implies 6x square minus 15x minus 16x plus 40 is equal to 0. So here we know minus 15 into minus 16, that is also equal to plus 240. Minus minus becomes plus, 15 into 16, that is equal to 240. So yes, we can split this minus 31 in this way. Okay, this and this. So that implies if we try to factorize it, it will be, let's say we take 3x common, 3x into 2x minus 5 minus 8 into 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Let's see, let's check. 3x into 2x, 6x square, 3x minus 3x into minus 5, that is minus 15x. Okay, minus 8 into 2x, that is minus 16x. Alright, minus 8 into minus 5, that is equal to plus 40. Yes, so it's alright, it's okay. So that implies 3x minus 8 into 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. That implies 3x minus 8 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 8 by 3, or x is equal to 5 by 2. X is equal to 8 by 3, or x is equal to 5 by 2. These are the two roots, two solutions of the quadratic equation. Okay, x is equal to 8 by 3, or x is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, so again always remember, whenever you are a bit confused about how to split the middle term in an appropriate way, such that the product of the two extreme terms a and c, it is equal to those two split terms, always go for factorization. Okay, sometimes it does not come quickly how to factorize it. So when you factorize this the product of the two extreme terms, you get the different factors, so the appropriate combination can be used to split the middle term, like we did here. So when I saw 15 and I saw 4 2's, automatically it clicked to me, okay, 16 15, that is equal to 240, so I can split it as minus 15 minus 16, that way. Okay, so you have to go in this way. Okay, so this is the thing. So here is another question. So it is given, solve the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0 by factorization method. So first we'll write the quadratic equation. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, if we compare it with the standard format, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 6. The product of the two extreme terms, 2 into minus 6, that is equal to minus 12. So we have to split this middle term in such a way that the product of the two split terms, that is equal to minus 12. So it is very simple, very straightforward. What we'll do, 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. See, 4 into minus 3, that is also equal to minus 12, which is equal to the product of the two extreme terms, 2 into minus 6. So the two split terms are 4 and minus 3, 4x minus 3x, which is equal to x. So now 2x into x plus 2 minus 3 into x plus 2, that is equal to 0. Again here x plus 2 is common in both. So that implies 2x minus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so that implies 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 3 by 2, or x is equal to minus 2. These are the two roots or solutions of the quadratic equation. Okay, x is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to minus 2. So comparatively it was pretty simple, straightforward as compared to the previous questions that we have solved. So directly 2 into minus 6 is minus 12. So we have to figure out a way to split this middle term such that the two split terms values, real values, that is also equal to minus 12. So we did it x as 4x minus 3x. 4 into minus 3, that is equal to minus 12 also, which is also equal to the product of the two extreme terms, minus 12. And we factorized it and we got the two values of x, the roots, the solutions of the quadratic equation. Okay,